Welcome to Lagu paTa from Solve the Virtual Labs. The objective of this simulation is to determine California bearing ratio value of soil by conducting load penetration test. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. To understand the terminologies better, click on the description highlighted in red. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the next step, click on this arrow shown below. Click here to place the sieve above the pan. Click on the sample to transfer it to the sieve. Close the lid. Click here to place the sieve in the mechanical shaker. Lock the shaker in its position. Switch on the shaker and let it sieve. Remove the sieve from the shaker. Open the lid. Switch on the weighing machine. Click on tare to clear the weight. Transfer the soil sample collected in the pan to the container placed in the weighing machine. Select the correct answer to proceed to the next step. Click here to add the measured quantity of water into the soil sample. Click on the trowel to mix the soil sample uniformly. Click on spacer disc to place it over the base plate. Now click on the coarse filter paper and place it in its position. Read the instructions shown here carefully. Click on the mold to place it in its position in the base plate. Clamp the mold. Select the correct answer to the pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click on trowel to fill the mold with the soil sample. Go through the instruction given here carefully. Click on hammer to compact soil in layers. Each layer is compacted by giving 56 blows. Click on the trowel to transfer the soil in one more layer. One-fifth of the mold is filled with the soil sample. See the instructions appear here. After third layer, collar is attached to the mold. Fix the collar in its position and continue the process. Click on the trowel and again repeat the process of layering the soil into the mold. Go through the instructions. Unclamp the collar and remove it from the mold. Click on the correct answer to proceed further into the simulation. Unclamp the mold and remove it from the base plate. And then invert the mold. Click here to remove this from the base plate. Read the instructions carefully. Click on the new filter paper and place it in the base plate. Click on the mold and place it above the filter paper. Click here to clamp the mold in its position. Now click on the surcharge to place it in the mold. Select the correct answer to proceed to the next step. Click on the specimen to place it in its position in the testing machine. Click on the plunger to place it in its position in the machine. Click on half weight to place it in its position. Read the instruction that appear here carefully and click on OK. Click here to apply the load at penetration rate of 1.25 mm per minute. Read the instruction appearing here carefully. Note down the proving ring reading. These are the observations for the current experiment. You can calculate load and actual load using this formula. Enter the calculated values here. Click on enter key to save values in the table. Similarly, enter all the calculated load and actual load values. After entering all the results, click on the check to check whether the results are right. Click on get correct answer to get the actual values. Click on this to view the plot of actual load versus penetration. Penetration at 2.5 mm and penetration at 5 mm can be noted. Now we can calculate California bearing ratio at 2.5 mm by using this formula. Enter the calculated value. Now check for the result. California bearing ratio CBR at 5 mm. Now check for the result. Click on Need Hint to get an idea. Select the right answer for the pop-up question to proceed. This is the inference drawn from the current experiment conducted.